guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be breaking down the Q2 earnings for NVIDIA. We have that earnings report coming out on Wednesday after the close tomorrow, and NVIDIA is set to announce its fiscal Q2 2026 earnings on August 27th. Analysts forecast revenue coming in around $46 billion, a massive jump of 53% year over year, and EPS nearing $1.01. The company's GPU, or Blackwell GPUs, are expected to generate over $20 billion in Q2 sales, cementing NVIDIA's leadership in AI infrastructure. Forward guidance is another key focus, with Q3 estimates topping $52 billion. If hit, this signals the company's growth momentum is far from slowing. But that's a big if. And it's a big growth expectation that a lot of analysts in Wall Street are expecting. So it's quite a number to hit. And this is why it's such a big earnings report, because this company has just been on a tear. And these are lofty expectations for this company, but definitely it's not something that they can't hit. NVIDIA closed at 181.77 today, a fresh uptick in a year where the stock is already up over 34% year to date. Its market cap hovers around 4.34 trillion. The PE ratio stands at 55.7, well above the 10-year average, meaning it's a little higher price than average, but for a company that's growing at such a rate that as they are, you can even make the argument that they're closer to fairly valued than overvalued. The PEG ratio is 68 cents, signals strong expected growth. Long-term analysts see NVIDIA potentially reaching a $9 trillion market cap by 2030. But that's if the AI momentum maintains steam. Analyst price targets. Sentiment is very bullish on this name, of course. Goldman Sachs bumped the price target to 200, Stifel to 212, Morgan Stanley to 206, and consensus targets now center around 187 to 215. So these upgrades reflect confidence in NVIDIA's ability to lead hyperscaler infrastructure for AI, while risks like the China trade and regulatory uncertainty remain. So these are all risks to the business, but with every business there is these sort of risks that are going to come along with it. Stock performance analysis. NVIDIA stock has climbed 35.4% year to date, far ahead of most Dow and S&P 500 peers. After peaking above 183 in mid-August, shares have stabilized around that 181 area, reflecting both investor excitement and cautious profit taking as earnings approach. High volatility is expected this week, with options markets predicting a major price swing post-earnings. Historically, NVIDIA averages a single session move of 6 to 7% after earnings, underscoring why this report matters to the whole market. Major risks include stricter US-China export controls. NVIDIA took a $4.5 billion charge last quarter, and possible margin pressures with the Blackwell ramp. Macro events like the Fed commentary and inflation data set for release this week add even more uncertainty. Despite this, analysts expect NVIDIA to maintain best-in-class specs as the complexity of AI inference grows. So if you're watching for market moves, the NVIDIA earnings report could define the week, especially for a lot of big tech companies. But drop your price prediction below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the earnings. Peace.